Good morning. I'm Simon. This is my wife Rashal. She's the owner of this home. And we had professional roofers change our roof recently, last week, to a beautiful blue roof. They did it all in one day. They came back 2 days later and did the insulation in the attic. We're very pleased. Everything was very well done, very professionally done.
I found that all of the whole process, from meeting Alfredo at the start, who was incredibly pleasant and knowledgeable, to having 3 crews here in one day, so they completed the whole job in one day, and every member of that crew was friendly, polite, neat, caring, because every time I tried to go in or out of the house, they cleared a path for me and made sure I walked on a clear path and it was clean.
I don't know why they didn't do that for me.
And we would certainly recommend them to anyone who is interested in having a new roof, from the workmanship to the attitude and their friendliness and caring. So we would recommend professional roofers to anyone who asked us.
Leave it to the pros.
Leave it to the pros.